And yeah, your girl look nice. I always do them. The girls are looking nice too. Oh, honey, the girls are looking nice too.
Yeah.
You are my sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charge. I mean, I'm gonna sell you up in your body. Go best friend, yeah, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Good morning. So today is the official day of Corey's wedding. This is what I'm wearing. Should have brought a belt as well as, don't mind the mess, we were lazy and we thought we didn't unpack very well. Should have brought a belt as well as I should have brought heels. I didn't brought any heels because I was like, and of course this wasn't the dress I was going to wear. I was wearing the brown nude dress, but then actually put it on to wear when I was gonna do a one-day work at my workplace, but then I decided not to, so I'm wearing this instead. It's a romper and I'm wearing this instead, but I think I should have brought heels and some jewelry just to accent, you know, and of course my knobs don't even match, but what it is what it is. I'm gonna make sure I pose on this side so you get me on a little lightness. Yes, anyhow, so this is it. This is the look. We are just waiting for the ride, and then yeah, Secret Roxy. Anyhow, so yeah, we're walking to the thing.
Late to their own wedding.
They're late to their own.
Supposed to be here for what? 2 minutes.
Oh, those flying up. And yeah, your girl look nice. I always do them. The girls are looking nice too. Oh, honey, the girls are looking nice too.
Yeah.
Queen of Heart. Right, so we're at Mandarin now, and this is where the reception is happening, but we're just waiting for a little bit because we're still a little bit early, so we're just waiting a little bit and then we get that part on. So yeah, Sandra's trying to make her way up the stairs. Don't put that part. All right. Here's my meal. So we're seated right now. Of course, the girls look nice. That's the most important thing.
Hi everybody. I'm happy to be at my son Corey's wedding in Maria on September 29th, 2023.
That's right. Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Rather taking big steps.
I guess.
And you guys, we'll show you more the rest of the proceedings. I'm trying not to get that gentleman in the background because I don't know him. It's bad for people in your video that you don't know. Anyhow, guys, I look lovely. I always do anyhow.
My beautiful wonder, my beautiful daughter-in-law number 1.
Yes, and you know Roxy's always
Son
number 1.
number 2. Eddie.
Roxy's always number 1. Now we are leaving to go outside. The beautiful place and our beautiful living room. So guys, I promised you guys the other day that I was going to show you guys around this neighborhood. So today I'll show you guys around this neighborhood by going to the park. Anibir, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stop playing with your front. That's my man right there. He's playing with his
My pants on the one video.
He's playing with his front and he turned his back to the people. How rude. He's very rude, people. Professor Zoe.
Yeah. His name's Tony.
So this one is doing. And then there is the park. Hope you guys can see it. So this is the park, you guys. There's a basketball court there, and there's like a skate thing there, so I think it has a skate park. So the park also has this bridge area. It's a beautiful garden section. This part leads to, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it leads to the basketball court there. Am I pointing in the right direction? Somewhere over that side. Leads to the basketball court. Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty. On the bridge. Oh? You know when you're at the money area, when there's a tennis court? Yeah, most parks don't have tennis courts. So you know that? What do you mean, man? No.
It looks like it.
Looks like what?
It looks like nobody uses.
Because nobody's played tennis. Yeah. The tennis court on this part. See, that's the skate park there. You see the kids doing some skating, the Papa Wheeler thingies. Try not to get the Asian children. As you guys can see it. Oh, and that's the swing situation over there. You see? There we go. And then there's a swing thing. So now you guys, you can see, I hope I get the full view of the park for you guys. So this is where the swing area of the park is. It has a play situation. And then, of course, behind me is where the skate park is. And everything. But too much kids there. I don't like people video people's kids. That's wrong. Yeah. So this is the park, you guys. So you should know something. Whenever I go to parks, I like to go to the swing sets. Because one of my favorite things to do is to go to the swing set parks. Anyhow, so I think we're gonna stop right here. Based off of the fact that we're going to stop right here. And then tomorrow we show you our journey going back home up north. Anyhow, it's your girl Roxy. You know what we're doing. We're taking over Rose and Lauren's vlog. Bye-bye.